Hi friends, now we are going to see a very small program on how to swap two numbers between each other. So in this example, I have taken two variables a and b. So a is referencing to the value 80 and b is referencing to the value 70. So now we are just going to print it. So before swapping, so I have used f strings here. Already I have made a video on the usage of f strings. So you can watch that. I'll include the link in description box, and so you can see that if you didn't know about it, else you can just follow it. And yes, here these are the three lines on how to swap the numbers. So in order to swap, we need another temporary variable. So here it is c. Okay, now c is equal to a. What is the value of a? It is referencing 80, right? So yes, now c is equal to 80. Then next line, a is equal to b. What is the value of b? It is 70. Now it is assigned to a. So now the value of a is 70. And b is equal to c. So what is the value of c now? It is referencing 80. So b is equal to 80. Now we have completed swapping operation. And now we are just going to printing the same. So print using same f string after swapping the value of a and b. You can see it. Now the value of a is 70 and the value of b is 80. So we got the output. So friends, yes, join me in this journey of learning. Bye-bye. Take care.